My name is Peter Beshar. I'm the General Counsel of Marsh McLennan. So this is a significant issue for public corporations right now, and therefore it has to be a significant issue for law firms as well. So are your systems as sophisticated as they should be? Do you have what's called two-factor authentication for your lawyers to sign on remotely when they're not actually in the office to make sure that our data that is sitting with you is in fact given adequate protection? I think that's a very significant issue right now for law firms. There's a little bit of a perception that the really talented people go to the law firms and the less talented people go to the internal legal departments. And if that was ever true, I don't believe it's true now. That from my experience here, having had the privilege of working with 150 colleagues over the past decade, the quality of the lawyers here at Marsh McLennan, and I suspect at many legal departments in corporations, is every bit as strong as the quality at the large law firms. The part of the job that I really enjoy the most is just the sheer variety of it. That I used to be fairly deep in an area that I really knew, and I was probably on solid ground 80% of the time. I knew the way a situation would likely unfold because I had experience on it. In this job, I'm on solid ground probably about 30% of the time. And the balance of the time, you're trying to get good advice, you're trying to use your judgment in a somewhat truncated time frame and deliver good advice, sometimes on the spot.